Hi, my name is Sagnik, and you all are welcome to my YouTube channel, BiCreditex. Today our topic is by which apps you can generate passive income. So let's start our journey. There are numerous apps available that can help you generate passive income. Some of the top apps include Creative Market. This app is suitable for designers, illustrators, photographers, and other visual creatives who can license their work to customers. Society 6. Sign up for this app to sell your work as prints, home decor, and other products. Fluz. Earn cashback on your purchases and refer friends to earn more. Swagbucks. Earn rewards for taking surveys, watching videos, and shopping online. Fiverr. Offer your skills and services to clients worldwide. Instacart. Shop for groceries and deliver them to customers for a fee. Ibotta. Get cashback on your grocery purchases by scanning receipts or linking your loyalty cards. Fundrise. Invest in real estate and earn passive income through rental properties. Arrived Homes. Invest in rental properties and earn passive income. AcreTrader. Invest in farmland and earn passive income. Groundfloor. Invest in real estate development projects and earn passive income. Masterworks. Invest in art and earn passive income. M1 Finance. Invest in stocks, ETFs, and other assets with features like automatic rebalancing. VinoVest. Invest in wine and earn passive income. Titan. Invest in alternative assets and earn passive income. Robinhood. Trade stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrency commission-free. Coinbase. Buy, sell, and store cryptocurrencies. Public. Invest in stocks and ETFs with fractional shares. Acorns. Invest spare change from your everyday purchases. Diversity Fund. Invest in real estate investment trusts, REITs, and earn passive income. Airbnb. Rent out your property or a spare room to travelers. Turo. Rent out your car to travelers. Neighbor. Rent out your unused space, such as a driveway or parking spot. Seated. Earn rewards for dining out at participating restaurants. My Constant. Lend money to borrowers and earn passive income. Remember that none of these apps promise a sustainable income, so it's essential to diversify your income sources and not rely solely on passive income apps. Thank you. If you are interested on our channel, please like, share, and subscribe.